Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm here again with another of my quick tips to improve your art. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can instantly improve your graphic pencil drawings by using blending stumps, also known as tortillons. Blending stumps are simply sticks of rolled up paper that taper on both ends. You can get them in lots of different sizes, varying from very thick to very fine. The thicker the stump, the more smooth blend you tend to get. There are many tools available to artists that can be used to create different effects. If you haven't checked out my quick tutorial on using a craft knife in your artwork, it's the very first video in this playlist series and you can check that out at the link above. So I'm taking my finest tortillon and I'm just rolling this on a spare piece of paper to clean it before using it. As you can see, my blending stumps are well loved and used. So I've layered some graphite down on the paper, and this particular paper is quite heavily textured, as you will be able to see as I work on it. I chose this based on the animal I'm drawing, as rhinos have textured, almost leathery skin. I'm using my finest tortillon with medium pressure, and I'm just pressing against the pigment to push it in the direction I want it to go. For the larger areas that I want a bit of a softer effect, I'm going to use the thicker blending stumps. As you can see, this gives us a really nice, much more realistic appearance. And the lovely thing about these is that you can then layer your darker tones and shadowing on top where you've blended. It's also very easy, if you overdo an area, to just take a putty rubber and remove some of the pigment or completely erase it and start it again. Here I'm just using a 4B pencil on my spare paper to show you the effect you can get without the texture paper underneath, and you really can get a nice smooth look. Another little trick that you can do with these is to actually use the pigment you have on your blending stump to place on your paper and use in your artwork. So the first way to clean your tortillon is to roll it on a spare piece of paper as I demonstrated previously. The second way is to actually take a piece of ordinary sandpaper and scrape it against this. This will give you a fairly sharp point, so what I tend to do then is use it on my spare paper beforehand to soften the end a little, unless I want it particularly sharp for a reason. So I've gone away and I've added darker areas and layered many more details on top, and here is the finished result. Thank you once again for watching this tutorial, guys. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more videos and tutorials. Enjoy the rest of your day and bye for now.